What's up guys, welcome to a new video. If you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe. Today I will show you how to clean and lubricate your motorcycle chain. To do this job, you need chain cleaner, chain lube and some rags. So let's start with cleaning. Now I'm going to apply some lube on the chain, so just follow the procedure. Once it's done, take your motorcycle on small round and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the like, share and subscribe. And if you want video on some specific content, please leave suggestion in the comment box below. See you next time.